Hey, I'm Andrew with NinjaTrader. If you're exploring how to trade futures or just starting your futures trading education, one of the most important things to understand is the range of markets available and how different futures markets are used. Futures contracts give traders access to a wide set of global markets, spanning both financial instruments and physical commodities. Getting familiar with these categories helps you understand where opportunities come from and why different traders are drawn to different markets. One major group within futures is financial futures. Financial futures allow traders to speculate on, or hedge against, price movement on major financial benchmarks. These include equity indices, interest rates, and currencies, and they tend to be some of the most actively traded contracts in the futures markets. Equity index futures track broad stock market indices like the S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, and Dow Jones Industrial Average. Traders often use these markets to express a view of the overall market direction or to manage exposure in an existing portfolio. Interest rate futures focus on instruments like U.S. Treasury notes and bonds. These contracts are closely tied to expectations around inflation, economic growth, and central bank policy, making them especially relevant during periods of macroeconomic change. Currency futures track exchange rates between major global currencies such as the euro, Japanese yen, and British pound, all against the US dollar. These markets can be used for speculation or to manage foreign exchange risk tied to international business activity. Financial futures tend to attract active traders, institutional participants, and those looking to respond to macroeconomic events that impact global markets. Another major category is commodity futures. Commodity futures provide exposure to the prices of physical goods and natural resources. These markets have a long history, particularly in agriculture, and remain essential today for producers, consumers, and traders. Energy futures include markets like crude oil and natural gas. These contracts often respond to geopolitical developments, supply disruptions, seasonal demand, and changes in global production. Metal futures cover both precious and industrial metals, including gold, silver, copper, and platinum. These markets are influenced by factors such as industrial demand, inflation expectations, and global economic conditions. Agricultural futures represent products like corn, soybeans, wheat, and coffee. Prices in these markets are shaped by growing conditions, weather, global trade flows, and supply and demand dynamics. Commodity markets can experience higher volatility due to their sensitivity to real-world events, which can increase both risk and opportunity. Across all of these markets, futures trading brings together different types of participants, each with their own objectives. Commercial traders typically use futures to hedge risk tied to real-world production or consumption. For example, a mining company may use copper futures to hedge known reserves, while manufacturers may hedge future input costs. These participants are often directly connected to the underlying commodity and may take delivery. Large professional speculators include hedge funds, proprietary trading firms, and institutional investors. These traders are focused on price movement rather than delivery, and they often account for a significant portion of daily trading volume. Retail traders make up a smaller share of overall volume, but like large speculators, they typically close positions before expiration and focus on price changes rather than physical delivery. One way to gain insight into how these groups are positioned is through the Commitments of Traders report, published weekly by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC. It breaks down open interest across different types of market participants and can offer useful context around sentiment and positioning. With access to everything from stock indices and interest rates to oil, metals, and agricultural products, futures offer a flexible and versatile way to participate in the global markets. So whether you're just getting started or looking to deepen your understanding, learning how different futures markets work is a foundational step in your futures trading journey.